Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer Pi to a Huobi wallet. As of February 20, 2025, Pi Network officially launched its open mainnet, enabling external connectivity and transfers to exchanges like Huobi. This means you can now move your Pi, but it requires completing specific steps, including Know Your Customer verification and migrating your balance. We'll guide you through the official process. Before you can transfer Pi to Huobi, you must complete your Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification within the Pi Network app. This crucial step confirms your identity and prevents fraudulent activity. Once verified, you can then migrate your Pi balance from the mobile mining app to the live Pi mainnet blockchain. Only Pi that has successfully undergone KYC and migration is eligible for external transfers. Once your Pi is on the open mainnet, the next step is to get your deposit address from Huobi. Log into your Huobi account, navigate to the deposit section, and select Pi to generate your unique address. Then, open your official Pi wallet via the Pi browser, select Send, enter the Huobi deposit address, and specify the amount of Pi you wish to transfer. Always double-check the address before confirming to ensure accuracy. When transferring Pi, remember that there might be modest network fees, so check the fee schedules on both Pi Network and Huobi. Transaction times can vary, but typically take a few minutes. Most importantly, always keep your Pi wallet passphrase secure and never share it with anyone. For any updates or concerns, rely solely on the official communication channels of Pi Network and Huobi to avoid scams and ensure a safe transfer experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.